This is Pixel Productions with a gas mask review. Today I will be reviewing the standard type of XM40 prototype gas mask, which was acquired with great help from my friend Derek, or RX Orta. Give his channel a look-see in the link in the description below. To better understand the development of this gas mask, let's take a look-see back at the history that led up to the development of what was the XM40. In 1983, the urgent need of a new revolutionized chemical-biological respirator was needed after the extreme failure of the XM29 series, as the standardized M17A2 Field Protective Mask was becoming very obsolete, seeing use from the late 1950s to the late 90s. The M17 series provided an adequate protection, but lacked the vital qualities needed in the field. When being donned, the user must have the capability to interchange filters without running the risk of contamination. The wearer must also be able to don the mask without becoming fatigued or claustrophobic. The mask must also be cost-effective and provide ample protection capabilities at the same time, and can serve a joint use with branches. Taking into consideration all the development from the XM29 series and the XM30 series, it was looked back upon and reconsidered as an idea to implement parts from those into the XM40 series, with multiple companies fighting for the contract, such as Scott Aviation, ILC Dover, and Mine Safety Appliances. This was just one of the many examples of the push to evolve the U.S. standard service gas mask. This XM40 was the standard design used by ILC Dover in 1984 and onward, using a green rubber face blank and very slight changes in hardware between varying models. The XM40, XM41, and XM42 all use the same basic structural hardware in hopes to save costs of manufacture and create less of a logistical nightmare having complete separate masks per usage. We see a silicone rubber blend used in the facepiece, and during this era we see the same material used in many other experimental respirators, so this was nothing uncommon to see. We see on top the US and M stamps. As usual, medium seems to be the more common size to find. Moving down, we see the lens design. Being unique to the XM40 series alone, these lenses did indeed prove field of vision, but were not suitable at all for the XM41 aircrew model or the XM42 tank mask, which required a higher standard for many applications to be able to use properly, as opposed to the standard series XM40 mask. At the XL valve cover, we see that it is most similar to the M17s, only manufactured by ILC Dover and not Mine Safety Appliances. From what I understand, there's very little difference between the two covers, other than the stamps, so it's not worth discussing any more than that. Viewing the Sidestamp, this mask was manufactured by ILC Dover in 1984 in the first week of April. I will refer to this timeline here a lot during the XM40 reviews to help the viewers better understand the development of the mask. The head harness is typically seen on M17 service masks and were implemented on XM40 masks, with an additional pull tab at the end of the head pad to improve rapid donning. We see these kind of head harnesses used a lot on the models and are only shared with this type of XM40 model, the XM41 and XM42. Inside the mask we see the oral nasal cup, drink tube, and all the standard stuff you would expect of any potential service mask.